clay, just like this one. So let's begin. Come on. To make the rose, you will need green color clay, pink color clay, and purple color clay, brown and white. First, you make the pink color clay into pieces. Now roll it with the rolling pin. Now you have to do this. So we got the first petal. Also, before you do that, make balls, so it's going to be easier to make the petals. Now we're going to attach this to the other petal. We have to do this to all of the balls. Guys, we have made the flower. I attached all the petals to it. Now take this green clay and cut 2 pieces of it and make it smooth here. Now attach this to the flower. Now the flower got its stem. Oops. Now make the leaves with the green clay. One leaf. And other leaf. Now attach the leaf to the stem. Now leave this here. Now I'm going to use the purple color clay to make the pot. Like this. Now attach this like this. Like this. Now I have attached this. Now put the plant inside. Take the brown color clay and fill it. Fill the gaps. The brown color clay is added also for the soil. Now use the white color clay for the rocks. Make a tiny little balls and place it inside. See the white balls here? And when you're finished, your plant will look like this. This is how you make a rose made out of clay. Guys, this is a really easy way of making a rose out of clay. You guys can also make this at home. This is really easy. All you need is clay. Please subscribe and smash that like button. See you next time. Bye.